warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Sekar from Business English Correspondence, and I will explain about the parts and the definition of accepted letters. And the definition of accepted letter is a letter about the positive reply about the invitation or job application that we apply, or we want to order or offer something to the other company, and we will get the acceptance letter if if one institution or company want to agree our job application, our scholarship application, or our order or offering letter. And then what we should do in writing acceptance letter, the first is we must identify our reader, and we can see the example of acceptance letter. This is the reader, identify the reader, Professor Dr. Smith Wu, and then establish our objective. Our objective in acceptance letter is to say yes, whatever the agreement that the reader wants to apply to us, and then determine our scope. Our scope is our letter is must be as brief as possible and includes all of the information, all of the necessary information that the reader needs. And then we close our letter by includes the organization contact details, and then adding complementary clause, our signature or the sender's signature, and then the position and the name of the sender. And also the last part is to review and revise our letter before we send it to the reader to avoid the mistakes that we made in making acceptance letter. And then the part of acceptance letter, the first is letterhead. It is where the institution, it is for the institution or the company that send this letter or the sender. We can see in this example the sender is King Mongkut University Technology, North Bangkok. And then it is reference line. It is the order that it is the number of order that the letter have in that institution or company. And then there are the third is deadline. It is the date where the letter is made. And then salutation is can be there, and then the reader name, or it can be there Mr. or Mrs. And also in this, it is the body of the message. It is including the first is introduction. Introduction, it's include the the message about the accepting the offer, like in this example. And then the second is the detailed message or the body of the letter, and it explain about the details of the acceptances, about the our order or our scholarship application or our job application. And then it is closing, includes all of the organizations contact, and then it is the complementary clause, and then signature block, it is the signature of the sender, and then the contact of the sender. And maybe that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.